So this is a quick post-market analysis of 17th of June. Later, when we get the data, we'll do the updated one. So if you see, as we discussed in the pre-market, I told you if you need to get a beautiful move above 24,000, it has to be today, because yesterday and day before yesterday, though the environment for the market move was there, but it was because of Nifty expiry, it just kept below 24,000. And by looking at Nifty unwinding and the put call ratio in Nifty, that I told you it can be 24,000 can be crossed and it can move to 24,100, 200 levels today. So it moved easily to 24,100, which is a very important resistance level. I'll show you that. And we also looked at Sensex positioning, and Sensex is anyway anticipating the up move, and 1.42 is the PCR ratio, which is very, very much bullish again. So as I discussed in the pre-market itself, my plan is what I discussed in the pre-market. There is nothing like I do opposite to the plan when things are correct. But of course, sometimes you need to react based on market action. So every action will have a reaction, right? So you will have to react if market is not doing action as per our analysis. But today, as per our analysis, everything went well. So what I'll do is I'll update, this one. You can see here, I've taken an entry right here, right at 9:15 itself on the call side, and we were trailing this. So this is what actually we have done. And why I have taken the entry right at the open itself, here itself I've taken the entry and I'm holding this level. So this is what we were able to capture, and market went till 24,100. That was my first destination. After this, I'll be uploading the entire live trade that we have taken along with the live market mentoring participants. So you will see how we have taken and that's this entry at 9:15. And in that, many of the people who are option sellers, they will sell put at 24,000, 23,900. That also I discussed there. There are many who are trading Sensex. They have taken Sensex and big move has been captured. There are many who are trading Nifty option buy also. They have also taken this trade. So this trade, when I'm taking at 9:15, the view was bullish. It can be either a Sensex call option buy, or a Nifty call option buy, or it can be a Nifty sell put, or it can be Sensex sell put, or short, long on futures. And we were able to, we have trailed, we have never exited the trade, and we exited it at 24,100, which was my destination. So unlike normal day, which is a scalping day, today was a destination trade. And if you look at it, the resistance here, which is weekly time frame, you can see that is 20 MA. So if I change it to weekly time frame, you'll clearly see there is a strong resistance. And whenever it was moving to that area, you are always getting a rejection. You can see here, you are getting a big rejection and a negative close on that day. There's a big rejection and followed by a big steep fall also. So here is where actually you got that rejection. Now again, it is coming up. So that is why we booked the profit at 24,100. So the trade is taken right at the open itself, and only a call trade is what we have taken. Nothing more. Called buy, which means put sell in the selling account. And it can be Nifty, it can be Sensex, it can be futures, long, right? All these can be done. So this is what I've done. Nothing much beyond that. There is no more trades. This is a very small trade that we have taken right at the open. We got it and we were able to hold till this level. So in the next video, I'll update the full live trade of this entire trades that I've taken. So see you there. I hope you have done well. See, my point is what I do in the live market with my mentees is what we already discussed in the pre-market. So that is exactly what we do. And if things are going against the view, that is when you will react to that and you will change your strategies, and accordingly you will adjust. Otherwise, you simply watch the pre-market and you'll get to know what we are going to do, what the plan, and then you can simply, if you have watched this video pre-market analysis today, you should have got the trade, because that is a kind of conviction that I have given to you in the pre-market itself. So if you have watched it, just comment below whether you have taken the trade or not. And if you have taken the trade, just comment below whether you have benefited or not. And if you have any other alternate view also, you can just mention that so I can improve upon that. So guys, I see you in the next video where I'll upload the live trade which we have taken, and we're holding for 1 hour with all these 6-7 positive green candles we were getting. We were just holding on to the trade. So that is going to be a very good learning, because you will never see someone who's carrying the trade just like that with such kind of conviction, though it's a small quantity, but it's ultimately for learning. Okay, so I'll share that. So see you guys. Thank you.